Hello everybody. Today we will learn how to perform typecasting in R programming. First of all, what is typecasting? Typecasting is a way of converting one type of data to another type. Whenever you are getting data in one type and then converting it to as per your requirement in other type is known as typecasting. Means you have converted its type and casted it to another type. So for this we are using some functions here. So what is typecasting? That you have understood. Converting one type of data to another type is known as typecasting, and in our programming we are using these functions. Here where is a variable which is being assigned a converted value. Like if n is an integer, so as dot character is a function, and as is being used as an object here, and that as is using a function to convert that n number into that var. So input, and n is input, please here, n input is being converted to that character format and then being assigned to var. Similarly in the other cases also, integer, numeric, logical, complex, whatever methods you are using, you are converting that given value into this with the help of these methods, and then you are assigning that to a variable. Now I'll take an example of this. So assume here I want to convert this value whatever you got from the user in the integer format, and then you are assigning to this variable. First of all, what you are getting from the user? You are getting from the user, because you are converting it to integers, it means it must be a string data. So if it is a string data, then convert it to this variable, and then you can apply any mathematical operations on that one. I'll take an example of this. Now you can just see here. I am writing a small program here, and although it is sum of two numbers, but see what exactly has been done. We are trying to get user input for variable a, and that value has been entered with the readline method, and that readline method is going to get data in the string format, in the text format. Now when you are assigning this value, this data by doing typecasting it to a, now it has become a numeric number. Similarly you are doing for the b as well. You are getting input from the user with the help of readline method, and readline method is getting input in the text or string format, and then we have used as dot integer method to typecast it, and once that has been typecasted to b, now b has become integer. So now as it has been converted to numeric format, you can apply the mathematical operations. So once you are done that, then you can print it. Once you got this here, then you can print this. So now in the output as well, you can see enter value of a, that you enter 10, enter value of b, that you enter 20. Actually see these values were in the text format, but by using this typecasting method you are able to convert it to numeric format, and then you could find out sum of these two numbers, and that is 30. So this is all about typecasting. Typecasting is required for the purpose of performing various operations when data are not in the same format. Even you can use at the time, and by doing so you will be able to achieve your aim by performing various mathematical operations. So thank you very much for seeing this, please.